Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month. Absolutely amazing exchange that I've actually been trading on myself for the past week or so, as they have an amazing competition on currently to win a Tesla and some other insane prizes. They also have a 10k sign up bonus when completing all the tasks, so go get involved with that, click the link below and join to win some unreal cash and grand prizes. We've also partnered with BitUnix, who are offering $5,500 of bonuses for the first time deposits on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up with them as well. And we've also partnered with Funded Bits, who are offering a great discount on their funded challenges right now. Amazing trading platform I've been using myself as well, and conditions, so make sure to get involved there. Also make sure to grab all your sign up bonuses from our other exchange partnerships, BingX and BitTrue. There's tons of free money to be had signing up and depositing there as well. BitTrue specifically have some incredible bonuses right now signing up and depositing. They're a great exchange, so make sure to get involved on their platform depositing and trading as well. So just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame. As we could see, coming down and making a new low yesterday, Bitcoin looking like it's desperately trying to chop the market to death. The altcoin market getting very smashed out at the minute because of Bitcoin's price action. As we can see, if you take a quick look at Bitcoin, you can see pretty much we are absolutely chopping around like a maniac over the past week. Huge drop to the downside all the way down into my area where I thought we'd probably end up getting a bounce. Down here, just below that 80k level, huge wick rejection and a nice pump all the way back up to this previous level of support as resistance. Another huge drop, a bump, and then another drop down to the low. You can see Bitcoin here doing its best to absolutely destroy the altcoin market by chopping it to bits. As we know from experience by now, when Bitcoin goes sideways, especially with this kind of volatility, you do see your altcoins bleeding to the downside against Bitcoin. And that's exactly what's been happening for Vechain. You can see this is pretty much, so ever since we started going sideways for Bitcoin, Vechain has been bleeding to the downside, pretty much one for one comparison. As you can see, we got that nice pump, didn't we, with Donald Trump winning the election, and then since then we've pretty much been heading down and only down for Vechain ever since we stopped pumping on the 3rd of December. Been heading down in this channel type formation. As you can see, we are still just about hanging on by the skin of our teeth in this channel. Very oversold and very overextended to the downside right now. Some bullish divergence is starting to come in, price action making lower lows, but the RSI definitely starting to make higher highs here, coming into a big area of liquidity and demand down here as well. In my opinion, this looking like it's probably going to be having a bounce pretty damn soon, although when you look at the altcoin basket, we are looking at pretty bearish price action right now, to be honest. Coming down into this area where we're previously bouncing, you can see this trendline support. We actually came down and closed below this for the first time. Pretty insane stuff, to be honest, and looking like it's basically a bit it's looking not too good for altcoins right now, to be honest. Bitcoin has obviously been chopping around so much, the altcoin basket doesn't really know what to do. You can see it's fairly highly correlated to Bitcoin's price action, but a lot of our cryptos are suffering badly as a result of all that sideways movement. To be honest, the altcoin basket not looking like it's doing itself any favors. Should be bouncing really from that support if we were probably going to get a continuation anytime soon. So we'll have to see how things play out this week, but so far this is not looking too good, to be honest. We could see ourselves bouncing up here and then continuing down, which would absolutely destroy our altcoins at the minute. You can see across the market everything just looking very bearish, to be honest. Pretty much all of our altcoins bleeding to the downside while Bitcoin continues this volatility that we are seeing. You can see Veracity is absolutely destroyed as well. Vechain here not doing too much, as I said. Overall, we are just going to be waiting for Bitcoin to sort its life out whilst Bitcoin chops sideways with this volatility and the volume that we're seeing, along with all of the crazy trade war news that we're seeing in traditional markets. We are going to be seeing a trickle down of all of that volatility, and our altcoins are going to keep getting smashed down as a result if that's the case. Vechain looking like it's getting very bottomy now, in my opinion. Still bullish on the macro. As you can see, we are just looking for that local bottom for a bounce. I do think in and around this 0.23 Fibonacci is probably a decent place to bounce, and potentially here looking like we could be doing something similar to last time. If you look at last time, we actually bounced on this pivot point down here, you got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside that we saw previously. We came all the way down, started to bounce in this area and then bounced up. You can see this time around on this next leg up, we're actually looking at that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this level here. Again, we could see something very similar to last time, where we start to go sideways here before the next leg up. That would be what I'm looking for. Let's see what we can do. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for the BTCC competition below. Bit Unix for a massive bonus on sign up, and get involved with our other exchange partnerships for free sign up bonuses, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.